In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix SEO Wiz. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to give your website better visibility on search engines, this guided tool inside your Wix dashboard is a great place to start. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access it and how to provide the right information so it can build a tailored plan for you. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Open your browser, head to the official Wix website, and sign in. If you manage more than one site under the same account, select the site you want to optimize so the SEO recommendations apply to the right project. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct dashboard before moving on. That small check saves you from having to redo anything later. Next, from your site's dashboard, look for the Marketing and SEO section. Inside there, open SEO Tools, and then choose Wix SEO Wiz. Think of the Wiz as your built-in coach. It asks a few key questions and then creates an actionable SEO plan tailored to your site's goals. You don't need to be an expert. It's designed for clarity and quick wins. Now click Start Now. You'll be prompted to answer questions about your site, beginning with your business type. Pick the category that best describes what you do, like a blog, an online store, a portfolio, or a service-based business. This helps the tool understand what kind of pages and content you're likely to have, so the recommendations make sense for your niche. You'll also be asked about your location. If your business serves a specific city or region, enter that so the Wiz can gear suggestions toward local search. Local details matter because search engines prioritize relevance and proximity for people looking for nearby services. If your audience is broader or entirely online, indicate that, and the plan will focus more on general visibility. Finally, you'll add keywords. These are the phrases people type when they're trying to find what you offer. Start with a few primary terms that clearly describe your product, service, or content. Then include a couple of more specific phrases that reflect how your ideal customer searches, such as a niche offering or a defining feature. Aim for natural, human-friendly wording. The goal isn't to cram in as many phrases as possible, it's to select terms that match real intent. Once you've answered those questions, the Wix SEO Wiz compiles a personalized checklist. That's your roadmap. With these steps complete, you're ready to follow the plan and steadily improve your site's search visibility.